This video is proudly sponsored by Jumbo Chem Kenya Ltd. Jumbo Chem is a local manufacturing company that offers quality insulation solutions. Part of their products include floor insulation, wall insulation, packaging, protection for HVAC systems, that is heat, ventilation and air conditioning systems, as well as floor underlay. Before I tell you more about this beautiful company, we are now at our insulation stage, and finding the right insulation for our bus has been very important.
What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Since we are insulating a bus and we have very limited space to work with, we thought an insulation that would be easy to apply, that would not take up so much space but still be effective was paramount, and that's how we found ourselves in Jumbo Chem. Out of the wide range of products, we had two options, either to consider wall insulation or roof insulation. We went to Jumbo Chem, had a meeting with their staff to be able to be explained to how their products work and which one was the best for our kind of application. I collected a few samples from the company just so I can explain the difference between roof insulation and wall insulation and why we chose to use the product that we chose to use for our insulation. With me are two products. One is a wall insulation, the other is a roof insulation, but it has one distinctive feature between the two. The roof insulation tends to have this aluminium finishing on both sides of it with the 100% closed cell low density polyethylene filling in between the two sheets of aluminium. The aluminium helps to reflect whatever energy that comes from one side of this insulation, while the polyethylene insulation or the polyethylene foam filling helps to reduce the transfer from this surface to this other surface. This filling helps both in thermal insulation and in acoustic insulation. Acoustic insulation is the soundproofing of a space. A roofing insulation would come with both surfaces, mainly because when you use this product, it comes as a complete product. You don't necessarily need to cover the underside of this insulation. This aluminum also adds to the aesthetics. So when you place it on your roof, you don't necessarily need to cover. This product is quite common currently in Kenya and is mainly used in big space such as supermarkets, such as warehouses. If you have walked to a number of supermarkets with mabati roofing, you would notice this. Or next time you go to shop in your favorite supermarket, try looking up, you will see this kind of product used on their ceiling. So wall insulation looks like this. It only has aluminium on one side and it does not have aluminium on the other side. There is an assumption that you will be, in most cases, you will be covering this insulation with a different material that will be your walling. And so it is not really necessary to laminate one side. However, there is also a secret as to why it's only laminated on one side. Lamination on one side also tends to cut costs, and because it's not 100% necessary, no one is going to see this side of your insulation. It doesn't really make sense having the lamination on this side. I like Jumbo Chem products because you don't necessarily need to be an expert, though I would recommend you go to them for guidance and explanation on their products. They have different products, and if you do not get the right guidance, you might use the wrong product for wrong installation. Their products are very easy to use, very straightforward. You do not need, if you are hands-on, you do not need an extra hand to help you with it. It's pretty straightforward. Another interesting product that is worth mentioning, even though it's a little bit irrelevant in our build since we're not pouring any concrete anywhere, especially for the floor, would be the Jumbo 6000 damp. Jumbo 6000 damp-proof membrane comprises of 100% closed cell, low-density polyethylene foam, laminated with high-density polyethylene film. This liner is designed to provide an easy to use moisture resistant membrane for use in concrete flooring. The liner is applied above or below a ground floor slab to stop ground moisture reaching the upper surface of the floor. So if you're doing a screed on your floor, instead of using, I see polythene paper, black polythene paper usually placed on the floor before you pour your concrete. This is the more professional way to do a damp-proof membrane for your concrete floor. I have linked the website below. I have also tagged their number here. You can call them if you need them to come and do a site visit for you, probably for your quotation, or just to come and analyze your project, for them to give you the best solution possible.
Yeah.
Accuracy.
Who like you? Hmm? Oh.